cumulonimbus, and this one is which cloud? Cirrostratus. और आपको ही पता है जो क्लाउड लेयर्स फॉर्म में देयर इज एन साइरोस्ट्रेटस एंड दिस इज एन आई सेड दैट क्यूमुलस छोटे छोटे वो भी फॉर्म में एंड इज एन लेयर्स फॉर्म. और व्हेन द सन रेज कम्स, तो जैसे आप कभी कभी देखोगे इफ देयर इज एन ग्लास इज देयर एंड ग्लास में आप क्या देते हो, इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट उसमें सन रेज और कोई लाइट करते हो तो लाइट क्या हो जाता है, उधर तो जाता है, अदर साइड जाता है. इफ आई एम टेकिंग व्हाट इज इन अ ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास, लाइट विल कंप्लीटली गो दिस साइड. But if I am taking in what is in this glass, I have painted something oil and all, and when the light will go, then this side light will disperse something like this. Yes or not? चारों तरफ से it is known as what? Halo effect. It is in a what is in a completely diffusion kind of it. So ये क्या create करता है? Cirrostratus. क्या करता है? Halo effect. और कंपनी सेक्रेटेरिएट CS हमेशा अच्छी लड़की होनी चाहिए जो बोले हेलो हाउ आर यू, है ना. So CS cloud is what? CS cloud क्या देता है? Yes, tell me. नहीं समझ में आया. Company secretary. What she says? Hello. Understood? And this is in which cloud I say? Cirrocumulus. Understood it? तो ऊपर में higher height पे which clouds are there? Tell me first. बता चुका हूँ मैं. Cirrus, Cirrocumulus, Cirrostratus. And this is the highest cloud, and in the between we can be able to see what? Altocumulus, altostratus, and thereafter we can be able to see stratus, cumulus, yes, and nimbostratus, and then I said that stratocumulus and the cyclone के में ये cloud जरूर बनेगा. This cloud will must form. सो मेरे साथ आप बोलेंगे डिस्टर्बेंस. आई से डिस्टर्बेंस, डिप्रेशन, साइक्लोन, सुपर साइक्लोन, सुपर टाइफून. अगेन आई सेड दैट विच आर आई सेड डिस्टर्बेंस, डिप्रेशन, साइक्लोन, सुपर साइक्लोन, सुपर टाइफून. विच वन आई सेड दैट? डिस्टर्बेंस, डिप्रेशन. यस. आप धीरे धीरे लाइफ में क्या होता है, जब अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं होती है तो लोग बोलते हैं डिस्टर्ब हो गया, और कुछ दिन ज़्यादा हो गया तो डिप्रेशन में आ जाते हैं लोग, फिर लाइफ में साइक्लोन आने लग जाता है. सो आई सेड दैट तो सबसे छोटा कौन सा है, डिप्रेशन और डिस्टर्बेंस? सो यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस: डिस्टर्बेंस, डिप्रेशन, साइक्लोन, सुपर साइक्लोन एंड सुपर टाइफून. ये जो दिख रहा है दिस इज एन आई वॉल, और ये जो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आई सेड दैट साइक्लोन का दिस इज एन आई वॉल वेयर इट इज एन क्यूमुलोनिम्बस क्लाउड इज फॉर्मिंग. हेयर द विंड स्पीड इज वेरी लेस, और ये लो प्रेशर बहुत कम हो तो ये डेवलप ही नहीं होगा पहली बार. एंड देन विंड स्पीड इज हाईएस्ट इन दिस आई वॉल. अंडरस्टूड? सो इफ आई से दैट वेरी लो प्रेशर सिस्टम डेवलप, इट बिकम्स व्हाट? डिस्टर्बेंस. And when the more developed, it becomes what? First it will weak tropical disturbance. Disturbance भी पहले create होगा तो low pressure जो if it is creating which kind of low pressure? Disturbance नहीं, disturbance से भी low. So I say that weak tropical disturbance. Understood? Which kind of disturbance I said? And weak tropical disturbance, now it becoming more low pressure, it will become disturbance. Better, more low pressure, wind started moving faster, it becomes depression. Which are I said that? Weak tropical disturbance, then developed, then there is a disturbance, developed disturbance, then I said that depression, then cyclone. More low pressure, the wind started moving very faster, that I said that what? Yes, tell me. Cyclone. And that is, you can say that 70, 80, 90, 150, 200 km per hour if started moving, so it is known as I said that cyclone. But if the speed in this region become 210 km per hour, even or more, 210 km per hour or more, even for 1, 2, 3 minutes. हमेशा के लिए नहीं, ओनली फॉर 1 or 2 or 3 minutes like this, it is known as super cyclone. It is known as, understood? तो super cyclone का मतलब क्या है? When the speed in the eye wall becomes around what? 210 km per hour or more, it becomes what? And for how many minutes? 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. That is known as super cyclone. Thereafter I am talking about if the speed of the wind circulating in the eye wall around eye becomes 230 km per hour or more, it is known as super typhoon. It is known as what? समझ में आ गया? Clear? And even for how many minutes? For 1, 2 or 3 minutes. Understood? So which one I said that? I said weak tropical disturbance, depression, cyclone, super cyclone, and the super cyclone के लिए what should be the speed of the wind in the eye wall? 10 km per hour for how many minutes? And for 200 km per hour or more, and for super typhoon 230 km per hour or more. Understood it? Now we are going to see the first. I said that, and already you know that in the northern hemisphere, I said that आपको पता हो यदि ये low pressure है, what does it mean? The wind will ascend. जहाँ पे लो प्रेशर होता है, why it happens low pressure? Because of the high heating. और जहाँ पे हाई प्रेशर होता है, wind always descend. Yes or not? Always. So first I said that यहाँ पे if it is there is low pressure, then the wind will ascend. और ऊपर में wind जाएगा तो क्या होगा? Comparatively it will make more air than the surrounding. So it will become high pressure. Understood? And if it is low pressure, the surrounding region is what? यहाँ से air गया तो that this region is what? High pressure. The wind will started moving toward this. Yes. And यहाँ पे if it is high pressure, the wind will move away from here, and it is in a low pressure. And after coming over there, it become heavy enough and started descending down. Understood? And this is the structure of, I said that, cyclone. This is the simple structure जो आपने in the last classes we have also seen. In the initial classes ऐसा structure मैंने कई बार बनाया. So this is the structure of what? Cyclone. So cyclone में on the ground air is converging, and in the upper atmosphere it is what? Upper atmosphere, I said that. In the upper atmosphere, here the wind is converging. In the upper atmosphere, due to high pressure, it is in a what? Diverging. Understood it? And the northern hemisphere, I said that low pressure नीचे है, and then when wind is moving towards the converging, तो northern hemisphere में Coriolis force किधर लगता है? Rightward. तो wind किधर की ओर डिफ्लेक्ट करेगा? Rightward. It is an anti-clockwise. तो यहाँ पे कन्वर्ज कैसे करेंगे wind in the northern hemisphere? Anti-clockwise. Why? Due to Coriolis force. Due to, and in the southern hemisphere यही हो, low pressure. The wind is coming towards high pressure to the low pressure, but it will deflect towards the under the Coriolis force. Hemisphere में क्या होता है? Left. So it will what? Deflecting towards. So it is in which kind of it? So southern hemisphere में clockwise, in the northern hemisphere में anti-clockwise. The wind deflection and rotation is what? In northern hemisphere anti-clockwise. Understood it? Why? Due to, and if there is no Coriolis force, there will be no cyclone, because cyclone का structure क्या है? Rotating effect. Understood? Shall I remove this? ये तो नीचे कहोगे, ऊपर में हाई प्रेशर है. यस, ऊपर में क्या बन रहा है? And surrounding region is low pressure. The wind will move away. Air is diverging. यहाँ पर it is coming anti-clockwise. घड़ी की उल्टी दिशा में. That is what it is coming over there. Understood? and here it will, ऊपर में high pressure क्या होता है, wind is moving away from here, away, and it is deflecting towards what, right. तो यहाँ पे right is this, so wind is moving in which, yes, right इधर नहीं होगा यार, right is, तुम लोग भी हाँ हाँ कर रहे हो, right is this, so it is deflecting towards, जब ऐसे जा रहा है तो right is this ना, मैं भी बोला था ना. So air कैसे यहाँ पे diverge होगा, anti clockwise in the upper atmosphere or clockwise, so divergence is in the form of clockwise, understood. So in the cyclone the air will converge, wind will converge in which fashion, anti-clockwise, and in the upper atmosphere anticyclonic condition, high pressure, anticyclonic, and the air will diverge in clockwise fashion in the northern hemisphere. और southern hemisphere के लिए आप ये clockwise जाएगा cyclone and ऊपर वाला anti-clockwise, understood it. And this is in a simple structure of what I said, that cyclone. I said that this is 5 degree north and this is 5 degree south, and this is in a 25 to 35 degree north, and this is north, understood. In this region Corliss force is 0, therefore यहाँ पे cyclone नहीं बन सकता, no tropical cyclone. And for the formation of cyclone, center should be, or it cannot form because it is in a subtropical high pressure belt, yes or not. So it will form between 5 degree to 25, और थोड़ा सा अच्छा लिखना है तो 22 बोल दो. So it is forming between 5 degree to 20 degree, 22, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि ये belts ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं. So where the cyclone is forming, yes tell me, 5 degree to 22 degree north, and similarly in the southern hemisphere, this is subtropical high pressure belt, yes or not. So it is forming between, or it is limiting between, it is limiting between equatorial low pressure belt and, understood, and in equatorial low pressure belt, in the earlier classes I said that Corliss force is 0. In case there is a Corliss force is 0, it cannot give rotating effect, and therefore it cannot become what, cyclone formation. जबकि ये low pressure है, it is in a good condition for the formation of what I said that, but it is not able to make cyclone due to the lack of Corliss force. And here it is in a subtropical high pressure belt, therefore. So shall I? अच्छा, आप, you have given the temperature of the flame 100 degrees Celsius. You have given the temperature of the flame, और पानी रख दिए. Suddenly पानी का temperature हो जाएगा उतना ज़्यादा? It will take time. It will take time or not? Yes, tell me. Now we are going to see in which month cyclone forms. It started forming. And then your first condition is, I said that first factor, जो भी थोड़ा सा, sea surface temperature 26.5 degree Celsius और more. Sea surface temperature क्या होना चाहिए, ये दोबारा लिखूंगा लेकिन अभी समझाने के लिए लिख रहा हूँ. What should be the sea surface temperature? 26.5 degree Celsius or more till the sea surface temperature should be 26.5 degree Celsius or more till the depth of, yes, till the depth of, मतलब 50 से 60 मीटर नीचे तक का पानी का टेम्परेचर कितना होना चाहिए, 26 point or more, then cyclone can form. Suppose I said that this is equator and this is, I said that 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer, and this is, and I said that 23.5 degree Tropic of Capricorn. सन यहाँ पे कब आता है? इट इज कमिंग ऑन द व्हाट 21st, आई सेड दैट 21st मार्च को यहाँ आ जाएगा. 21st मार्च, यस, 21st जून, 22nd September, 22nd December. Which are the number I said? 21st March, 21st June, 22nd September, 22nd. So 21st March को sun will be on the equator. धीरे धीरे जब यहाँ पे आ गया तो ये पानी तुरंत गर्म हो जाएगा. It will take time, and I have said that specific heat of water is very high. It will take long time to get it up. सन धीरे धीरे कहाँ तक आ गया? यहाँ 3 महीने. It takes to come 21st June, यहाँ आ गया. Then sun started coming here. अभी भी सन यहाँ पर हो रहा है. Then July, then August. अगस्त में सी सरफेस पानी पूरा गर्म